Good morning, student, class 7. Today I know you are very excited to take in SST classes. So right now, without wasting time, I want to just going to your main topics. Today I will take your uh, civics lesson first, democracy and equality. You know very well about democracy and equality because of you have studied these chapters from class 6. So right now democracy and equality I want to derive in the front of you. It is also has been combinations of two Greek words. You know which two Greek words? First word is demos, democracy. It means demos is the first part of the Greek words, and kratos is the second part of the democracy. These two words combine with each other, but demos means in the Greek words peoples and kratos means rules. It is clear that which governance has been ruled by the peoples. This is called democracy. So you know that both combinations, demo and kratos, which means that ruled by the peoples, this is democracy. And you know that this has been derived from the American President Abraham Lincoln described democracy as government of the peoples, by the people and for the people. It means उन्होंने यह डिराइव किया था गवर्नमेंट वह होती है जो लोगों के द्वारा होती है, लोगों के लिए होती है और लोगों से ही बनती है. इट मीन्स इट इज़ फॉर द पीपल्स, बाय द पीपल्स एंड डन बाय द पीपल्स. And here is the main concept. These peoples has just Mansi societies is the managing committee. It is the mini government. It will be made up of the all peoples living to society, of the our elected residents of the society, and it is also look the administrations of the society. So that students class 7 today right nowadays our democracy is most popular from the government all over the around the world. Our India is also a democratic country, and this popularity when how did the democracy originate? And let us look at the journey of the democracies right now, because this democracy points this concept democracy from where it is start their journey of the democracies. Firstly, just like that, democracy developed further to the Roman Empire from the 509 to 527 BCE and played an important role and the assembly of the important citizens. Government have many forms. But what is the form of the government? While looking at the history of the democracy has been that democracies essentially develop as the response to other form of the governments such as the monarchy and dictatorships. What is this monarchy and dictatorship? Right now, be ready for understand this one concept. Monarchy is the rules of the king. It is the earliest form of the government. It means it is very, the oldest form of the government. This monarchy, in this themes, the king has the absolute power, and sometimes he has had to buy his council of the ministers. This history is full of the warriors of the democracy means rule of the peoples. It is combined with two Greek words, democracy. It means demos is the first word of the Greek and kratos is the second word of the Greek. Both two words combine, it is done, it means forms of the democracy. You know that what is the meaning of both demos and kratos? In the Greek, first word demos means peoples and second word kratos means ruled. It is clear those system which is ruled by the peoples. It is called the democracy. According to changing the periods, according to change their regions, place, the government has been taken other forms also. So right now I want to describe these forms. You know what is this? So please listen. Other forms as like that monarchy and dictatorship. You know what is the monarchy and dictatorship? Let me derive. Monarchy is the rules of the kings and it is the earliest form of the government. You know that previous period has been derived by the king, queens. आपने भी बहुत सुना होगा राजा और रानी की कहानियाँ. ये सारी चीज़ें एक उस गवर्नमेंट उस टाइप के गवर्नमेंट का एक एग्जाम्पल है. दिस एग्जाम्पल इज रिलेटेड टू monarchy. This monarchy is called the king, has been done by the governments. This king which have to rule on the that their kingdom. The monarchy is the same but something is changed. The king has the absolute power and some things he helped by the council of the minister. Okay, second concept, it means second form of the government I want to describe. Second is dictatorship. In the such as the system, one person is called the dictator when the assumes all the power and rules of the countries according to his and her own country and cities. But dictators often they tend of the become the opposites and unjust. Dictatorship, it is the unpopular form of the government. You know why? Because it is done by the replace of the kings. Any system which has been replaced by the king but work will be same and replacements has been done, so it is no longer taken the place. Next students, Republicans form of the government is based on the principle of the democracies where the head of the state president is elected by the peoples. This and that that our country has been done. Type of the democracy I have explained to you, that form of the government, and before form of the government I have informed to you what is democracy. So right now there are two type of the government I have derived. First is monarchy and second is dictatorship, and after that I want to describe the types of the democracy. In the modern time there are two kinds of the democracies. First is the direct democracy and second is indirect. And what is the direct and what is indirect? Let me define in the front of you. Direct democracy is the form of the democracies where the citizens directly participate in the affairs of the governments. Today direct democracy exists only in the small countries such as Switzerland, etc. Because of that participation of the citizens has been directly connected to the government. This is direct democracy. And indirect, as that a more popular form of the democracy, is just a representative of the democracy where the people choose the responsibilities and also the representative through the elections to the form of the governments. It means their government has been formed by the election, and these elections has been taken the responsibility by the representative, and this representative has been elections and held after the regular intervals, so that people can be choose this their own representative. All the citizens of the countries without any discriminations are allowed to take the part of the elections. Okay, thank you. I hope you have to totally understand by today class. you will be ready for next day with the next lesson. I am Mr. Shivsagar, your subject teacher. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.